5 lazy ways to make money online. Most people regret not knowing these. If you're broke, struggling, or just tired of watching others get rich while you stay stuck, this might be the most important video you'll ever watch. Every day, people are making easy money online, without skills, without effort. And the worst part? You're missing out while they cash in. These 5 lazy ways to make money online require almost no effort. And the last one is so powerful that billion-dollar companies are secretly using it to print money while most people struggle for scraps. 1. Sell AI-generated digital products. Most people don't know this, but you can create something once and get paid for it forever. No inventory, no shipping, just unlimited money. How? AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva can generate digital planners, logo templates, AI art, and even eBooks. People list these on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market and make thousands every month on autopilot. One simple printable planner can sell for $5. If just 20 people buy it daily, that's $3,000 per month for something created once. The opportunity is wide open, but not for long. Soon everyone will be doing it, and those who start late will be fighting for scraps. 2. Voiceover. Work without speaking. AI voice generators are so advanced now that companies are paying for AI-generated voiceovers instead of hiring real people. Websites like Murph.ai, 11 Labs, and Play.ht create professional quality voiceovers in seconds. Then you can list your service on platforms like Fiverr, Voices.com, or Upwork. Voiceovers on Fiverr sell for $50 to $200 per project. Some freelancers using AI are making over $10,000 per month without ever recording a single word. This is a new industry, and early adopters are making serious money while others ignore it. 3. YouTube automation. No face, no talking. Take the channel Top 10s. It posts simple list videos using stock footage and AI voiceovers. It now has over 3 million subscribers and earns an estimated $30,000 per month, without ever showing a face or recording a voice. YouTube automation is the process of creating faceless videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. Channels in finance, history, gaming, and tech are making 6 figures with this method. It works like this. Get free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay. Use an AI tool like 11 Labs for voiceovers. Edit the video using simple software like CapCut or VN. Upload to YouTube and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. This is a modern gold rush. Some people will capitalize while others will sit back and regret it later. 4. Reselling free stuff for profit. Thousands of dollars worth of free stuff is being given away every day. On Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and FreeCycle, people give away furniture, electronics, and collectibles just because they don't want the hassle of selling them. Smart resellers grab these items, flip them on eBay, OfferUp, or back on Facebook Marketplace, and turn free junk into serious money. A free couch, cleaned and resold, can bring in $300. Doing this a few times a week turns into a full-time income, without spending a dime up front. Anyone can do this. No skills, no investment, just knowledge and action. 5. Get paid for watching videos. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Nielsen pay users to watch ads, movie trailers, and short clips. Netflix taggers get paid to watch and categorize shows. This won't make anyone rich, but an extra $500 to $1,000 per month just for watching videos. That's passive income anyone can use. These 5 lazy ways to make money online work for those who take action. 6 months from now, it's possible to have a profitable digital product business, earn $10,000 per month from AI voiceovers, own a faceless YouTube channel bringing in passive income, flip free items for thousands, or even make easy money watching videos. The choice is simple. Those who start now will see results. Those who wait will watch others succeed. Which method seems the easiest? Comment 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 below. And if a full tutorial is needed on any of these, type TUTORIAL in the comments. For even more easy money methods, check out the next video revealing 5 websites that pay instantly. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.